said, "You little scaredy pants don't have to be alone." She's a hero. I see, Sarah. Okay. Mod of a Discord, friend of one of the devs. Okay. Good to know. Good to know. Good to know. Well, have fun, I guess. I'm sorry, Lynx. That was the only time that worked for everybody, so that's when it has to be. Charlie is so at Cool Like. She protects, she attack. Yes. So me and Anne and Charlie are going to play some spoopy games the evening of November 14th. And then... Does anyone know if Twitch works on a plane? Might be a bit choppy. Depends on the Wi-Fi, yeah. She's so brave. Charlie is so brave, like... I cannot wait for Anne to defend you and Charlie. You know, it's gonna be interesting. We don't know how it's gonna go. When on the 14th? I think we decided 5 p.m. Central, 6 p.m. Eastern. Yeah. I heard these kids trying to pick the least scary game. Anne was literally Googling, what is the least scary co-op game? And I was like, we have to kind of play a scary game, man. We promised the people we would play a scary game. And Charlie said, it's okay, I will help. So yeah, Among Us, exactly. Anne tried. And I don't blame her, because last time Anne played Phasmophobia, she cried. But we will never leave Anne alone. So, Anne did say Grounded is a scary game, right? Mortuary Assistant? I don't think I would make it, Hoolery. So, here's the other half of the scary game stream stuff, right? Grounded is scary, I agree. Hey, birds are dead on. The other part is that I'm gonna play a scary game by myself, which I have not scheduled yet. Animal Crossing? Terrifying. No one makes it, I know. I thought I was going to play, Visage, which is a game that my brother played on stream that is like extremely scary, but when I was looking at like the actual content of the game, it's extremely dark, would come with a lot of like trigger warnings and content warnings, and I just don't actually think that it's super appropriate for this stream. What did I just call it? I thought it was Visage. It's like V-I-S-A-G-E, Visage? I don't know how to say it. Anyway, the point is, I don't think it's right for the stream, because it's like, not just scary. Did Danny? Maybe I'll do a Discord stream if anybody's like desperate to just, you know, hear me, lose my shit. Well, so I thought that Little Nightmares could be a good compromise, to, you know, be scared, but also not have content that is, like, extremely upsetting. So I was just gonna ask what y'all thought about that, if Little Nightmares is scary enough. That's my current idea, but I'm also open to suggestions of people who have actually played more scary games. I'll get scared by anything. I plan to play in headphones and be, you know, very focused in. So Little Nightmares will scare me, but it's not like a horror game that is like upsetting in its content, you know? Sounds like a great idea. Inscription is great. Yeah. Little Nightmares is creepy. Headphones are gonna make it scarier. Exactly. Yeah. So those are sort of my plans. Scary fun, scary upset. Exactly. Like, and I just,